guys, what's up? It's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 in this gorgeous new pink finish. Without further ado, let's get right into it. What's cool about the new 15s is that the color is actually infused into the glass. I know a lot of people don't like seeing their fingerprints on the back of their phone, but this one has a very matte finish, so there are no fingerprints. The new 15 comes in yellow, blue, pink, green, and a matte black. Something I noticed right away was the brightness. There is 2000 nits of brightness in this small device, which is 2 times more than the previous generation. What I love about the USB-C is that it only takes 30 minutes to give your phone 50% charge. You can now take portraits without even switching to portrait mode. You just take a regular photo, and then after, in post, you can switch the focus and depth of field. This is really useful when you're on the go and wanting to switch up your photos to make them look way more professional. Another great aspect about the camera is that there are sharper details in the nighttime photos and way more vivid colors. If you're shooting in a lot of bright or uneven lighting, the Smart HDR actually makes sure that your skin is true to life and makes it look really nice. I've been using Dynamic Island on iOS 17 for a while now, and I don't think I can go back. I find it super useful for live activities such as Ubers, flights, maps, and even switching between apps. There are so many new amazing iOS 17 features. I made a whole dedicated video so you guys can check it out here. I love the contact posters, name drop, and cool new messaging features. If you girlies are anything like me and been waiting for Apple to come out with a pink iPhone, they finally delivered. I can't wait to match it with all my outfits and my accessories. You guys already know I'll be creating so many customization videos for you guys to match this beautiful pink aesthetic. If you liked this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for so much more iPhone content. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!